In the first year of the NDTV-SL Save Our Tigers campaign, we raised money from you, the viewers, as well as with help from our partners, the Wildlife Conservation Trust. 31 such rapid response units have been sent now across the country to various tiger parks. This one is here in Ranthambore, and we're going to see how the Forest Department here is utilizing it. Ranthambore Tiger Reserve, established in 1973, is one of India's most famous tiger parks. Every year, thousands of people come from across the world to catch a glimpse of the park's tigers. The park is currently home to 27 adult tigers and over a dozen cubs. It's the only park in India where you have a meeting of historical beauty with natural wonder. The rapid response units were handed over to the Environment Minister of Rajasthan, Beena Kak, who is quite the tiger enthusiast herself.
इस तरह की वेल इक्विप्ड वैन जो आज वाइल्ड लाइफ कंजर्वेशन ट्रस्ट ने दी है बहुत ज़रूरी है और टाइम पर ये लोग मदद करते आए हैं लोगों की सो इट इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट राजन
NDTV's implementation partner, Wildlife Conservation Trust, conceptualized and designed the RRUs. With great research going into the equipment that's been loaded in each vehicle.
Rapid response unit like this is going to strengthen the existing protection mechanism of the park. Tigers are mobile species. They are dispersing all over. Protection inside the core is good, and therefore they will have to disperse into the buffer, and from the buffer, you know, tiger from Ranthambore reached Bharatpur. So they are highly mobile, and therefore protection mechanism should also be as mobile as a tiger is.
For the Forest Department, the challenges are several, from preventing locals from cutting fuel wood and fodder from the park to improving the tiger territory in the areas surrounding the core area so that young tigers can move on there. Another issue is conflict in and around the park area, which has been increasing in recent years as population in villages surrounding the park goes up. The Forest Department is often called in to deal with incidents of man-animal conflict. Range Officer Bhandari receives a call that a goat has been lifted by a leopard in a village.
अच्छा ठीक है ये फ्लाइंग को मैसेज करो अपनी पूरी टीम वहाँ पे रैपिड रिस्पांस यूनिट पे इकट्ठे हो हम वहाँ से अभी रवाना हो रहे हैं वहाँ स्टाफ को लोकल स्टाफ को मैसेज कर दीजिए कि हम वहाँ पहुँच रहे हैं इमीडिएटली
In such situations, it's important to react at the earliest to allay public anger that can even turn against the Forest Department. The Forest team is off in their rapid response unit. Sometimes, for revenge, villagers will even poison the kill if it's been left behind to punish the leopard or tiger when it returns to feed. So it's important for the Forest Department to remove the carcass. After a preliminary investigation, the villager is given some compensation.
इस व्हीकल आने से हम इमीडिएटली वहाँ पे पहुँचते हैं विद स्टाफ पहुँचते हैं और हम वहाँ पे जो है अपनी कार्रवाई जो हमें करनी है और गांव वालों को पूरा सत्तावन देते हैं कि हम उनके साथ हैं तो उससे क्या है कि पब्लिक हमारे फेवर में जुड़ती है और हमको सपोर्ट करती है इक्विपमेंट्स जो भी हैं वो हमेशा हेल्पफुल रहते हैं सारा स्ट्रेचर्स हैं इसमें ट्रैंक्विलाइजर गन है और इससे सबसे बड़ी बात है इसमें एक फैसिलिटी है कि आप जितना भी हिंसक जानवर हो उसको इससे इजीली ट्रैंक्विलाइज कर सकते हैं
The rapid response units contain 31 different pieces of equipment. From baffle boards to megaphones, 2- and 4-man tents, helmets as well as a tranquilizer kit, all the tools that would be needed in case of a crisis to deal with wild animals and also unruly mobs. In the past, forest guards have had to deal with dangerous animals armed with little more than a stick. In August 2010, Forest Ranger Daulat Singh was faced with an angry mob of villagers. A tiger had entered their village and killed a calf, and it was then hiding in a nearby field. To calm down angry villagers, Daulat Singh entered the area to tranquilize the tiger, not realizing he was hiding just behind a bush. The tiger, who had been pelted with stones by the villagers, pounced on him, taking his head into his mouth. Another forest guard then threw a bamboo stick, the only thing he had, on the tiger, who finally let Daulat Singh go. Daulat Singh was then airlifted to Jaipur for treatment, the Chief Minister sending a helicopter for him. Daulat Singh was given an award during the first NDTV Aircel Save Our Tigers telethon, where he spoke about the ordeal and also about how he wanted to return to his first love, patrolling Ranthambore.
मैं टाइगर को कभी दोष नहीं देता, क्योंकि 30 साल से टाइगर के साथ हूँ और मैं सोचता हूँ कि जैसे ही रिकवर हुआ मैं 3-4 महीने में properly I will again join the Ranthambore.
Now, in dealing with dangerous situations, the foresters of Ranthambore will be able to protect themselves better as well as manage crowds.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.